Hey, good morning everyone. It's me, Jen. Welcome back to our channel. Just arrived home and I'm still here in the parking lot. I went outside to meet the seller and pick up this bike. This is a 2016 Rocky Mountain Blizzard minus 50. It's a fat bike. And shout out to boss Tito Sarmiento. He's the previous owner of this bike. And let's unload it. Hello, it's me again. It's winter time now here in Canada, and the weather is getting cold, and soon there will be a lot of snow everywhere. Uh, that's the reason why I bought a fat bike so we can still ride during winter season. Let's go. Let's do a quick ride. Let's try this beast. So I'm here and I'm excited because this is my first trail ride using my fat bike. This is 2016 Rocky Mountain Blizzards minus 50. Let's go! Yes, I made it on top. Whew, I'm here now. Oh, this is the highest peak here in this area. So let's take a look at the view. See, that's the view here. And that's the lake. It's almost frozen. So let's going down this in this side. Just arrived home from a quick ride using this fat bike. And again, the reason why I always wanted to have this kind of bike is for me to continuously riding even though there's a lot of snow outside, even though it's winter season, because fat bike is designed for snow riding, winter riding, sand riding, and actually it's a all year round, and you can ride it in any trail. I also have a mountain bike, but I can't use it during winter, and it's not recommended. The recommended is this one, fat bike. So yes, so I love biking and I want to continue riding. So that's it, mga kapadyak.